Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to top up your your gasoline on or in an Audi A3 or R3 Sportback. If you have this lamp on, that means you will need a little bit of gasoline. The car will lead you to the next petrol station, and when we get there, we are going to the right side of the car. There it is. If you unlock the car, you're able to unlock the cover of your full tank. Then rest the cover on top of this cover again. Now let's go to the full pistol. Here we are, Super E10. It is a full mixture of 10% anhydrous, ethanol and 90% gasoline, sometimes called gas hollow. It can be used in your TFSI engine on your Audi A3 or R3 Sportback. If you put the pistol into position, pull the trigger and lock it. Then the gasoline will get into your tank. After the tank is fulfilled, the automatically shutdown function of the gun will stop the gasoline immediately. Then your gasoline tank is full. E10 is a little bit cheaper in Germany as the others. So let's top this up. Not diesel, only E10 or Super. So now let's get the cover back in position and job's done. Here you can see how it locks. You have to aim a little bit, then rotate, right turn, job's done. Now you can flip back the tank cover and job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.